We've got some news that's breaking right now, and it's coming in that the former Rajasthan Chief Minister Vasundhara Raje is going to be heading the BJP's Rajasthan unit, while Gulab Chand Kataria will be the leader of the opposition in that assembly. The newly appointed BJP President Rajnath Singh made these announcements just today in the capital after an internal brainstorming session.
इस बहुत बड़े परिवार में सब लोगों का एक छोटा सा एक स्थान है, हम सबका स्थान है, और उस स्थान को पूरी तरह से संभालते हुए राजस्थान की भारतीय जनता पार्टी को हम सब मिलके, गुलाब जी, हम सब लोग मिलके इसको आगे बढ़ाने की कोशिश करेंगे, पार्टी को मजबूत बनाएंगे, इसमें कोई दो राय नहीं है। और जैसे हमारी पार्टी की लीडरशिप यहाँ चाहती है, उसको जिता के वापस लाने का काम, ये भी जिम्मेवारी हमने दोनों ने और हमने पार्टी के साथ अपने कंधे पे ली।
All right, let's get in Sumit Pandey for more on this. Sumit, of course, that's a clear message that's coming out. What can you tell us?
Well, Fatima, this entire exercise has been going on for a while now. What was happening in the Rajasthan BJP was that there are two factions. One faction is close to Vasundhara Raje, and the other faction is affiliated to the RSS, which is basically seen as Gulab Chand Kataria's faction in the state. Now, Vasundhara Raje, in the run-up to the elections, wanted a clear and categorical assurance from the centre that she would be the face of the campaign. It's under her leadership that the elections would be contested, so that she is the chief ministerial candidate. When Nitin Gadkari was the president, these things had sorted out, but since there was a sudden change of guard, which was not expected, Vasundhara Raje and other leaders also wanted Rajnath Singh to go along with the commitment which was given to her. There were late hiccups in this entire exercise. This morning, Arun Jaitley, senior BJP leader, had a meeting with all the faction and leaders. A senior BJP leader, Ghanshyam Tiwari, walked out of that meeting in a huff. In fact, he was also not present in this evening meeting with Rajnath Singh, but thereafter party decided that they have to make a declaration. So Vasundhara Raje is not only the state president, which is a very important post during the elections, because she's going to vet a lot of elections, but it's under her leadership that Rajnath Singh says that elections will be fought, which means Vasundhara will be BJP's chief ministerial candidate in Rajasthan when the BJP takes on Ashok Gehlot government, and Gulab Chand Kataria has been given the post of the leader of opposition, which was earlier held by Vasundhara Raje Scindia, which is still being held. She'll have to resign from that.
All right, okay.